Oh, God.
Oh, there's...
Ow!
In my way! So steep.
Ah! What is that?
What?
It's a bug.
Ew. That's not a bug. That's not gonna harm you.
You sure about that?
Oh, Jesus. It's kind of deep.
Oh, shoot. I forgot about that little kid.
Yeah, you should wait for him, you know?
I'm gonna try blading my way through all this grass.
Oh! Okay, I think I'm gonna...
Really careful.
I think I'm gonna split down. I'm holding on to this grass for dear life. Hold on. Oh, geez. Wait, Disha, if you fall on me, I'm gonna kill you. I'm not gonna fall.
Ah! I stepped on some. Yeah, me neither. I should have never done this.
When are we gonna get the top of this thing?
We're almost there. Yeah.
Yeah.
Whatever we do, we can't fall now.
Guys! Ronan! Yes, I do.
Everybody else again. Anybody else? Don't be
Oh.
There's 3 ways over there.
Ow, fuck.
Wait, you bring your phone?
You need help.
Well, you're wearing full pants.